Ever wonder why some fan theories just hit different? It's because stories and how they end stick with us. The recent really resonated with fans, especially its bittersweet conclusion. But what happens when someone tries to rewrite that ending with artificial intelligence? Um, that's exactly what's causing a stir online right now. Um, an AI-generated video reimagining the Reze Arc's ending has gone viral, and the reaction from fans has been less than enthusiastic. And while the idea of a happy ending for Reze and Denji might seem appealing, uh, the execution has left many disappointed and even angered. The video attempts to show Reze surviving, but inconsistencies quickly become apparent. Things like altered spear colors and Reze inexplicably wearing jeans instead of shorts are jarring. Uh, these aren't just minor details, they break the immersion and feel disrespectful to the original work. Um, Beyond the visual errors, the biggest issue is the story itself, which is a side of amazing language net. Within the world of Reze defeating Makima is simply impossible. It doesn't align with the established power dynamics or character motivations. Um, or it feels forced and uh, undermines the narrative's weight. Uh, the original ending, while tragic, was intentional. Um, Creator Tatsuki Fujimoto wanted Reze to be the one that got away for Denji, a loss that shaped his character. It was a crucial lesson in heartbreak and acceptance. Luckily, fans didn't need an AI to imagine a happier outcome. And Fujimoto himself provided glimpses of a potential happy ending through exclusive artwork celebrating the movie's release. These pieces depicted Denji and Reze in heartwarming scenarios like attending school together or sharing a moment in the cafe. One particularly touching artwork shows Denji and Reze embracing, with Reze holding flowers. It's a simple yet powerful image that encapsulates kind of the potential happiness they could have shared. It's brimming with life and emotion, far surpassing anything an AI could generate. Uh, while the AI video was likely made with good intentions, it ultimately falls flat. It lacks the nuance, emotional depth, and artistic vision that define Fujimoto's work. Fans seeking a true happy ending for Denji and Reze need look no further than the creator's own heartfelt rendition. And if you haven't experienced the actual ending of it's available for digital purchase, plus keep an eye out for its re-release in theaters this spring. Uh, Speaking of I heard it tried to write a fan fiction, but it just kept repeating Pochita's cute. Guess some things are better left to human creativity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.